stand still. Come here. Stand right here. Stand right here. All you stand right here, okay? Stand still. We're going to put it on. Hold on. It's big, huh? Hold on. Leave it there. We're going to put the whole thing on you, okay?
Oh, Christ.
Have him go look in the mirror.
Give me your hand. You got it on? You sure? It's too big?
Yeah.
It's okay. We're just trying it, okay?
Now that would be funny, actually. That'd be funny as hell. A big Grim Reaper and a little baby Grim Reaper walking side by side.
Is your hand in there? Okay, ready? We're going to put this on you now, okay? Are you recording this?
Got me wet.
Ready?
Big.
Hold on. I know it's big. Where'd it go? You don't know where your hand is?
Yeah.
Hold on.
It's like some incredible shrinking adult movie or something.
Put your hand in here.
The Grim Reaper with a shrink ray.
Got your hand in there? Okay, now we're going to put it in the sleeve. Hold on, put your arm in here. Look at me. Look at that. Go ahead.
I can see it now. He's going to try to run around the house, scare Grandma, and trip. Break the chest piece.
Put him in the mirror.
Are my ponytail holders over there?
Yeah.
Can I get one? Is it turning?
Yeah.
Thank you. Hold on. Your bones. It's okay. Hold on. I know it's big. There. Let me see your hand. Where's your thumb at? Okay, here you go. Hold that. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Look.
The blood is coming out.
Look at you.
Squeeze it again.
Squeeze it. Oh, he dropped it. Here. Squeeze it. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
We're going to put on the mask, okay? You ready?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
You okay?
Yep.
Can you stand?
Yep.
Can you see yourself in the mirror?
Yeah.
See that? Now look at Daddy. Look at Daddy. See Daddy? Say roar!
Ah!
It's too big. You want to take it off now?
Yeah.
Yeah.